Hi everyone. We are here with our team, Fire Codians. We have came here on our implementation based on our idea where we are trying to eliminate the factor of hunger and influence donation. So basically, coming to this idea, every team member has his own story. So we are here to share our story. So my experience growing up was as I was getting older, I have noticed many things in the society which hit us so hard. So this is one of that idea. So while I was one of the day I had to rush to one place, so I picked up my vehicle, and as I was driving there was a signal. So that signal stayed for 2 minutes. And after that, the picture which I saw was many of the children's were, I was very disappointed to see that many of the children's were influenced to beg or to sell something to get the money because their families were less privileged to do that. So they had the fear of starvation, they have the fear of hunger. So that hit me so hard that they are struggling with this fear every day, and it stayed with me for a very long time. So I came to the many such thoughts that today I'm here to give them the snack or biscuit, whatever I have in my hand, to give them the food. What about that tomorrow? So here I want to give you a quick headlines of the current situation, what is there in the market about this bringing this idea into picture and giving it a more importance, a more focus. So let me tell you some of the pointers. In India, a child is dying out of hunger in every 10 seconds, and the death rate of is 3.1 million children in a year due to poor nutrition and hunger. So nearly half of all deaths in children are under the age of 5. So sad to see that the half of the range, that is 3.1 million children, out of that we had 1.5 million children at the age of 5, they have these death rates. And children die because their bodies lack basic nutrition. And according to the UNICEF report, 8.8 lakh children under 5 years of age lost their life due to starvation in 2018. So the motivation behind building this idea is, as we come from a luxury of where our basic necessities like food, shelter, and clothes are being fulfilled. However, when we look around or while we go to streets, we see some people out there begging for money and food or selling something to earn a little. So this is the reality, and you cannot fight hunger. We have no idea how many families are suffering like this. So we have to help them however whatever is possible for us. So the slogan of my idea is, from hunger, less privilege to hope, join hands, influence donation, and live a sustainable lifestyle. Thank you. I give the hand over to Sai.
Yeah. Hi everyone. First of all, good evening. And this is Sai Kiran. And I came here with this idea because when recently I have attended one of my friend's marriage. On there, I have seen the first initially they have calculated there will be come for that function as 100 members, and they came only 70 persons, and the 30 plates of the food they are wasted. And on that time we have discussed about one thing. Initially, they said if we are able to donate this food without wasting, it will be helpful for some of the persons who are starving in the organizations and charitable trusts. On that day I thought maybe if we have any app like this, we can update, or we can fill one form, and we can share this all the details and how many parents we have, and it will be easy to receive the organization charities. And so I have got this idea on that time. And when I came to for job search in initial days in the PG, I have stayed in the PG. On that PG area also, I have seen that charities and some of the organizations coming, and they are asking in auto rickshaw like, if you are able to donate some blankets or some clothes, we are ready to take it, like that they have said. Yeah, on that time I have thought, without they coming and they are asking if there is any possible to, like, we can gather who are going to donate all the needy class books or external, any extra stationary things. And the after collecting the bulk amount and sharing to the organization, it will be helpful. So based on this one, and I got this idea to implement this one. Yeah, and this is my short story about implementing this project. And my slogan is, just a little help can make their hearts happier. Yeah, and thank you. And I will hand over to remaining thing to Chandan sir. Thanks everyone.
Uh, Hi everyone. For me, if I want to share my experience, during my college days, I used to attend NGO where we as a group used to teach the orphanage kid. At that time, something struck me, and it embedded deep inside me the feeling that the kids are struggling to eat proper food, and even they don't have the proper clothes to wear. At that time, I had some idea in my mind that I will build something based out of software, that it should help the majority of the people, or maybe the educated people could utilize it and help it for the benefit of the society, or for the needs of the people who actually need that. And fortunately, with my current team, I got an opportunity to develop applications where we are working on how we can develop our application and provide the essentials things to the needy people, like clothes, food, etc. That's it. Thank you.
So here we are. We have implemented the things which we are up to date with the knowledge. So it can go more globally as we are focused on the locations of the particular town. It can go more globally, and we can make it really a live project to use. So we will do our best that how this project can go forward, and we can thank you for this platform for giving us that move on to just start, and we will keep our hard work and continuation in this project. And the future enhancements, I really want Chandan and Sai to give your thoughts on how you future and what can be the future enhancements of this project which we have not implemented. and whatever we have implemented, just give a overall intro of that.
Yeah, actually, as of now, we have implemented the donors form and receivers form. The person who are going to donate, he will, after logging the page, he will see the home page and he will able to see two buttons like donate and receive. The donator who are going to provide or who are going to donate anything, he will click on the donate button, and on that clicking donate button, he will able to open that form, and he will fill that form like what he is going to donate, and how much food he is going, if suppose there is food means how much food he is going to donate, and if there are some of the clothes means what are the clothes he are going to donate. Like this he will fill the form, and if he has any pics or picture of that particular subject means he can upload that pic as well, and he will click on the save record page. After clicking on the save page, and we have clicking that page save button, the volunteer person who are going to donate to the organizations, the volunteer should get the email alerts like the person like suppose if his name is something, and he is going to donate the items. These are the items he is going to donate, and this is the address for the donator, and the contact number also he will able to receive in the mail format. After the volunteer getting the email alert, and he will click on that email, and he will contact to the person who are going to provide donate the all things needs, and after that he will able to contact that person, and he will go, and based on his availability time he will go and collect that food for that items, and he will store in the hubs. And after that organization part, Chandan Sharma will continue to discuss about.
So, in terms of hub component, in the hub, what is going to happen, as Sai has mentioned, that the volunteer in the hub, they are going to receive few of the requests from the receiver or the provider. After receiving those requests and gathering all these stuffs from the receiver, what they are going to from the provider, what they are going to do, they are going to maintain a proper list of whatever the things are uh, got collected. It could be maybe clothes or food, or maybe any books or something. In terms of clothes, what they are going to do is that they are going to segregate it, and after segregation, they are going to put a proper description that we have got this particular amount of clothes and everything. And the volunteers in the hub applications, they can be able to see uh, with the use of the form, they are able to see how many providers or the receivers are there within that particular hub. And based on that, what they will do, based on that, they will match how many receiver or how many providers are there. And once the they get all the details, they will share it with the receivers. That receivers could be the old age homes or orphanage, that we have the required food or clothes, or I could say the books. Based on that, and uh, we are going to send a notification or maybe a reminder for the receivers. And once they accept that, they could they are going to get a priority before. And if not, then we are going to share the details with the receivers manually, so that they can connect with the provider directly and can get their food or clothes directly from them. That's it for our idea. Thank you. And if there's anything, Pragati or maybe Sai can add on this.
Yeah, so I think we are good to end here. Thank you, everyone, for your thoughts. Thank you.